Menteri ke Sorkar Jelau Makar Mencela Hakashitarik Ujaleo Ahajar Poi Ulapan Teb Bakajingwad Ikinong Ti Doyong Giblashat Teb Hakram Doyong Hasutanga Kadang Ya Chakman Ubashalau Raitu Bakani Kakinhun Kabaploing Kajingwad Ikinikin Reward Kikintub Yaka SDRF Nakatanat Pulit Banakatanat Pelip Ding.
All the officers, especially the district administration, the SP and DC, they are on a walk now. So they are trying to do the rescue operation. So just because of this bad weather, so they cannot do it as per what needs to be done, but still they are trying the very best. So at present, we are happy to say that we have this police personnel, the SDRF team, and even this fire service also on a walk now. They are trying to do the very best so to do the needful.
Habrakali halor kajingkhayi biya nyung doyong Ubashalau loong banakliang ka Sorkar ke lekat bala bankhang ikum kini ki bala dalap ikibriu ki bele yakani bun sin ka kem yaki bar ka pelong ikijing tokit ka babanya kat kum kaan.
We are trying our very best to control that these illegalities should not happen. But people also sometimes they need to understand that it's not that the government didn't do anything that this thing happened. The government are trying. Sometimes if you see crimes happen in many places over the states. It's not that the government are just sitting idle and doing nothing. That's why crime happens. We are trying to protect, but it's just that it happens to be there are some mischievous. These people they are trying to do some mischievous things. That it happens to be when they cannot do in a proper way, then they get caught. So the same thing it happens here also. It seems that these people are trying to start a new mining. Means in the old mining place, trying to start the mining again to restart it. So it seems there they fail or in which way they cannot do it. So they get caught now. Get caught in a sense after this incident happened. So now we came to know that these illegalities are trying by some people. But exactly to say that it's going on because wherever we are trying to check, we have not seen. Whoever found, then they are taken into punishment.